Khubor Phibaro Shagatup Khubor Jungi Kadon Bosco Media Network. Kimat Bakong San Mendakas Shillong. Li Ujim Sang Maya ka pressure swing absorption oxygen plant Nazareth Hospital. Thang Momati ki MLA ka All India Trinamool Congress Hakandailat Bansngo Lemi Patba Bashasya Nagaland. La idea ka Tatlas Ken Terminate Processing Unit Shaka Company Shimen. But nim deban chukan mau buram yu babul Henry ni deban boat ikikam ba ulale lambok star marngar. But mentangin pa shiki khubor pa kambanya. Mentakas ngi kanyaw tarik unok pra arjar arpoy lepli ka pressure swing absorption oxygen generation plan Nazareth Hospital da umentri ka tanak ka kwat ka kya u James Sangma u balong ru kongsan hagani ka program. Yakini ka plan labay tingka da katanat ka kwat ka kya ka jylla lingba ka Google Grant balay ngobha da ka seng part Give India balapintre kam da ka kinhun tata. Hakini ka program lay don lang i Dr. G. Rungat, Chief Medical Officer ka Nazareth Hospital, Sister Noreen, Administrator ka Nazareth, Uram Kumar bat Usampat Kumar IAS ki Dr. ki Nurse pat kiwe. Lasdang yakini ka program da ka jingdway na i-Vicar General ka Shillong Archdiocese i Father Richard Majau, layoru i ka jingkren pidyang buram na Chief Medical Officer ka Nazareth i Dr. G. Rungat bat kiwe. Habakren na kini ka program umintri ka tanat ka kwat ka kya ulayaro ikini ka hospital ka balaay ka jing shakri ka bapaka yakipat pa ka jylla.
The way forward for the government, this has been laid down in our policy. And we feel that this sort of collaboration, this sort of partnership and mutual respect for each other is the way whereby we will bring transformational change in the healthcare sector. Out of the 14.4 crores that we have set aside for private hospitals, I'm very happy to inform all of you that 2 crores and 51 lakh has been invested in Nazareth Hospital. Apart from that, the Department of Health and Family Welfare has facilitated the Path Foundation, who are here, and would like to express a word of gratitude for them also, to donate this PSA plant in Nazareth by the Tata Advanced System to provide a stable flow of 800 lbm, benefiting 100 patients who will require oxygen support during critical times, possibly for a third wave, which we hope will not come, but yet we need to be prepared for. And I believe that this oxygen plant will be an asset not just for the hospital, but for the entire health system of our state. And I take this opportunity to wish Nazareth Hospital and the sisters and all the staff, the doctors, the nurses, the paramedics,
Ka All India Trinamool Congress nekasngi hapo ka jingalam jong President Thamai ba Charles Pingrop kalapilong ya ka jingthang momati ban snolem ya kinong shnong ka Nagaland ki balasha set yap ha ki bor shipai dang shen. Hakani ka jingthang momati lay don lang ru ki MLA jong ka party kenthup Dr. Mukul Sangma bat kiwe.
Families and urge upon all the authorities concerned, which includes the state government of Nagaland and government of India, to ensure justice. In this great nation, every individual, or in other words, every citizen of this great nation must have the sense of belongingness, and we collectively build this great nation. This is the essence of our democracy, and therefore there should not be any space or room left for any citizen of this great nation to feel that they are deprived of the necessary justice when called for. Therefore, it will be expected from the authorities concerned, under the government of India and the state government concerned, that all the measures needed to be taken to ensure justice is done in the right perspective. We convey our deepest condolences to the affected families, the grieving members of the bereaved families, and also we convey our the appeal to all the people of the state and the rest of the country to ensure that the sense of oneness, sense of togetherness prevail amongst all the citizens of this great nation.
Kumshi benta ban penceluria kerukom sumar khasi na keliang ukaitor bat ting shop uba sanat basayomon ula pelat ya kawai ke video bala ringdur kerpang yuba banabas nongbri uba buon ki ithu ko uba he bana mau ngap bat mau persyong. Hakani ke program lingkot lay don lang uba penyat sings aim kum ukongsan harengkat ke jinge don lang uba Mitchell Wankar Executive Member ke KHADC, Dr. Jemino Mautho General Secretary ke UDP, Dr. W. Lingdo Badru Ifada Pascal Lingdo Parish Priest ke Cathedral Parish bat kiwe-kiwe. Lasdang yakini ke program da ke jingdwai kerku ne Father Pascal Lingdo bat bot pat da ke jingkren na kiwe pat. Habayathu ikajing sedang jing iba banabas nongbri ban sumar khasi ilayathu bilazang shwa na kajing sumari kimrat kum kiblang kimasi bat suki ilazdang ban sumari kajing pangknyang bat sumari betko la penchong shit ru yakini program da kajing rwai na ukaitor ban ker kharkongor ubalarwai da kajing rwai balashna kerpang yo ba he na mau ngap mau persyong
tang kane kawe ka ba ningkong ka bang ya thu ya phi Siapang kajing ya denti kajing sumar kasi jonga jing sumar dawai kan banong te lanta penglas sedang bersumar ningkong de ya ki banta jong kineki merat de ki masih ki belang bat kisnyang bat hadien alas sedang ban sumari kineki jing pangknyang bat ki bakdi ki bakhen bat ki badeko bapun rukom ha ke jingpang kabangila sumar balapun ru na ka banta ki briu ke layo ke jinyarap ke jingkot bat ke jingkhira te manmentang labu ya kene ka jing sumar hang te sepo mongap bat hang te sepo mau persyong te tangkum ne hi ngin ai ku ble ye phi baro namar ngapda padanang than ban ya kren te namar ba dang sin ban kong ban ya kendu ban ya lang ha kene gerukom te ku ble ya sibun
Yakathat Lasken Turmeric Processing Unit ne Karkhana Tiliat Shinrai Kabalashna House Nem Arjar Khatlai Arjar Khatsau Hapok ka Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana Scheme Hakajinglut Banyop Sanlak Daka Meghalaya State Agriculture Marketing Board Halor ka Thong Ban Kintiya Karep Shinrai Lakadong Nakabenta ka Jingmentoi Kipat Nongrep Hini kasngi ka Sorkar Kala IT no Shaka Company Shimet Belatip kum ka West Janta Hills Farmers Producer Company Limited Ban Penyat Kumbasan Snem Hakani kasngi lawan ban IT syakatik company Shimet da Menteri ke Sorkar Jilla ubadai pet ya katanak jangkarep keriang uba bantedor lingdo rengkat ke jingidon lang UGHP Raju Secretary Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Udi Satyant IFS Secretary Spice Board Government of India UKN Kumar Chairman Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission Kong T Sumer FD Director of Horticulture Kong K Swear Secretary State Agriculture Marketing Board Shillong Kong S.E. Kinjing, Assistant Director of Agriculture, FT West Janta Hills, Kong R.K. Bala, District Horticulture Officer, West Janta Hills, Jowai, Bat Kiwe.
Kata ka scheme bagi orang ka RKBY, nadu arajar khala kat now. But, ya kani ka jingtray ngong ipi, ngilala ban pendap haswa isnam arajar khat nyo. But handray kejing bomla ban penterikam idon kita katukan ni ring sukuman sikadai bahu araja khatra ringkat daga jinge trailan but the department but the farmer commission bangisim mega decision ban altino sha ki revshme seki brio ki jongi seki nongrat ki jongi ban penyat ya kene processing unit hamni form talas kai bat ka kongsan ne kadai ke jinglan si jongi ya mission la kadang au arja kapra kaba ngisung thu bangin la ban increase ya ke jingrap slash jingrap turmeric ke jingrap shinra naka arspa arajar sanspa nyokrio hektar syaka lahajar Druspa sanpuan hektar. Bat kaban penmi slash aban penmi turmeric. Naga khat 100,000 metrik ton syaka 4,000 metrik ton laispa. Nggak
Timintang ini pajwa shipo shugijing penbena. Timintang ini pai biang shigi khubor badangsa. Litbu sentiu ka Khasi Students Union ya kelingku singiyap pa arpunyo jong ba bul en lingdo ha umot badon hadhan kiti hajan Shillong Law College. Kumshi benta ban kinmau yaki kam bakrau bula le nak benta kari bat kajat benriu ban yadaya ka hok jong itrai ri trai mulok. Hakani kesengi lai don lang ki bahi ngesem jong ba bul u president ke KSU samla Lambok Star Marngar u general secretary samla Donald V Thaba bat kiwe de. Haba ajing kren u president ka KSU loong bengide ban board ya kanuksa jong babul bat ngimde tang ban chukan mau burom yu henry ngide ban board ru ya ka kam bo ulale
ban penim ban penyele nam tak coba tosan jong geri bekecat ru kuai ni slotu ka jinga dinti bo fer jong ikan hon bo fer jong ki samla bo fer haba ki kren ya kinu kimat bakta ya geri bekecat penriu kindon ya subun ba ki bawo bat kendon subun ba ki ban kentho andai ngi soto abang kum bangi jukran na kapor baka seng ka sem ni kinu isu ni ji kidon ar benta kidon ki ban ai sim kidon ki ban yero bat kidon ki ban kentho bat kidon ki ban wo andai pun sin ngi soto abang ile ya kenu lu ko ba kadai kata ka benta ka bangi hak ban ya syakmat bat ya kata kalenti dai kenu ngilam ke barem kilai ngi kilong menta ban pentulun ni salan cam terkam kuno ban kran ni ki isu ba fer jong gari ba kacat ndu ko wai babol om dai tang nong ilam ju kaseng om dai tang nong kran ya kimat ki jura jong gari ba kacat penriu handrai ngasem bau ni samlarang ba hakmanor uladai unong kersiu cia ya gari ba kacat penriu khamtam ki samla khamtam ya kacat penriu go jongi kebrangret ban long kita samla ban mi shikmat ban ikon persya
Kaseng hinyau trip Youth Council kala pelong ye kejing rakhi lingku singiyap ka ba arpunyo bat kejing kan mau burom ye ba bul en lingdo bolong president barat ba kaseng KSU nadu snem khat khandai spa prapusau hadu khat khandai spa khandai po hakini kesengi kaseng kala pelong da kejing bu sintiu ha umot sa nam hadhan kiti hasinda ka law college Hakini kejing le burom lawan bani shimentalang dikibahi ngesem ubabul u president ba Robert Jarin kidukot keseng uba fantin lakadong MDC kamalki bat laidon langru ke MLA ke East Shillong constituency ke kong amperin lingdo bat kiwe habukren hakini kesengi u president keseng uba Robert Jarin uloong batang kejingi bishni shimet ngi kloy ban bret charut ya kesan perkat batang bakim sngow tenat yau a ne ubi ki kloy ban e sharut ya kabha kamiat ke imlang salang bat ngi lem hakani kesan perkat
bangila lem ha kata kesan perkat kata ka idea ka jongi kata kesan perkat ka jongi kalalim madu naying mentoy syo ban pulikot lada ya kun exam hana ladom dan pesam yo kam ngilalim nadu na rempaying mentoy penilai football ban praktis bah namar sya selek kiladan sa kibahing basem ya kurup lang hangta ya ai mensim lang ban penhiar yo kena samla badiaki briu ki jongi kene kesan berkat kabala lim lupa kabala ting lupa kabala priang lupa ya kata defeat kene kesan berkat ke bau babul syamlah hikayangi hakasan syar khadar mengingide ka deficit budget state hap krong na ta ka sarkar India umlang syu banele persya eki an mar ki policy jong kar India kani kesan perkhat ka bang ya ban bret surut
Kani dei kawai ke bang mengi celebrate, kani dei kawai ke bang you absorb, but kani dei kawai ke bang ni persyang ban pencana yala di ban im. But kabenta ka baar ka bau babul, uhikai yang ni kalong kata ka mensim ban sacrifice ban penurlong ya kata ka thong. Hakibubun ki kam, ni puli ni dangle ni tray. Hari kita ka mensim ya khun kata ka mensim ya le kamdan. Lada pin kandok ya survey, ki bobon ki khasi jongi ki samla ki long ki bestat ki besyempang. Hari kata ka sacrifice kata ka mensim ban IT namta ban kenjo syaka thong si ki clear lung jong kanam ngiduna palat memban si ban ong ta. Ngiduna ki ba pass IAS, ngiduna ki ba pass IPS, ngiduna ki ba bru ki ba kenjo haki leng ki ba fair la ka de ka arts ka drama ka athlete bat ki we no balai.
The National Academy of Agricultural Sciences Regional Chapter Umyam Meghalaya, Ringkat ke International Union of Organic Agriculture Shillong, Lembat ke College of Agriculture Kerdem Kulai Meghalaya, Harungkat ke Jingetrelang bat ke ICAR RCNEHR Umyam, Nectar Shillong, NABRD Shillong, CPGS AS Umyam, NESAC Umyam, ICR NRC PIC Gawati bat ke NEC Shillong kelepelong ye ke International Conference Halor Kapang Integrated Agriculture, Natural Farming, Biodiversity Conservation and Rural Bio-Entrepreneurship under Changing Climate Scenario. Katai ke program kaban nek laisngi yak belasdang minta kasngi ka nyau terik unopra bat kaban kut haka kandai terik unopra arajar arpuai. Hakatai kesngi le minta Dr. Trilochan Mohapatra ubade Director General ICAR bat Secretary Jongka De ke Sarkar India ubalongkum ukongsan haga jingedon lang Dr. M Premjit Singh former Vice Chancellor AAU Jorhat lembat kiwe kiriu Shampang halor ke rep karyang bat ki research scholar. Lapin Shongkun Chushu ikatai ke program daga jingrai tinrai balarwai daga Nongston College Nongston.
So Buzabro sir has already pointed out that, so as an entomologist when I was associate professor, so we evaluated those 300 land races about pest and disease resistance. And it was very interesting. And we also screened not only the local races, even the exotic, what to say, rice germplasms obtained from Directorate of Rice Research, and ultimately the breeders, they crossed that, and then they could develop the pest resistant varieties. Because why I'm giving emphasis this? Because the food habit of the northeastern region, it is totally different from others. So mostly in the northeastern region, except one or two states, we do not take chapati. We used to take rice twice. That too also rice, sticky rice or semi-glutinous rice. So the farmers, even we give the hybrid rice or high-yielding varieties coming from other parts of the country, they will not accept. They will tell that there is your production is very high, yield is very high, but actually no person is ready to purchase it. That is the issue. That is why our variety, we have to develop our own variety that is semi-glutinous or glutinous rice, high-yielding varieties. So,
Halor ke jingkular ke Sarkar bansiu bai ba mi kinong belasngi ki beladu bela nakadaw ke klam COVID-19 but halor ke jing duko terekam kitanat badepet yakini nakaliang ke thama urang li juki but iwe ni ki dukhat ke Meghalaya Domestic Workers Movement ki khot ki weri ki pai ba banyawan banyas nok tilang ha ke shpau terik unok pra arjar arpoi na ke benta ke public hearing ke benlong ha Cathedral Hall lain kra.
Bun ki baklam yo bun baklam mi. Teng yang ai persang bun ki la ban ben bet hendrai karang don ni ka jing sa teng but dena ka dikada menta bangin khot ki pai ba ban one eye testimony ne ban kran hakamat kan ka panel bat ka dika independent panel ka bamut ba kini priyo kim sha alyang yan no na makim de kinong mi khmat ki seng halang kim de kinong mi khmat ka sarkar ya kan ka panel khle da I justice madan lokur ibadai I nong bishar jongka yang syari ke bahaya tam hari India ke Supreme Court di bala retaya indon lang iba Rudi Wajri badai officer basyidmi khmat na benta ke India syaki ri beper indon ikong mina karpong iba judai ha Child Rights Commission, ikong IT merthong Pastor Kersoi Bor pertu but inikil di berapa nam bah kumubriu bertrai berkipai bahasa Rajasthan. Tengi kentu ya piwe ben shim gani kakabu namar kasur jong pi kalong kongsan.
Lepelong ya Solution Cooperators Meet Arajar Arpway minta kesengi Hasin Anthony's High Secondary School halai mkra Shillong. Leishim minta de ki babon ki lingdo na kaseng reunion Solutions of Don Bosco ki reunget bat ki nong mikmat. Hakani kesengi lepelong rui kejing le akai football but basketball de Solution Youth Movement. Ya kani kejing kendo lang jeng dekot Solution Cooperators le play de udkot ki ying do bar thau an ke Meghalaya ba AL hek Haka jingkren jong ubahek layaro ikani ke kenhon ke bekershan penchong skul ki samla ki bawan ni long ying long sem ki baduk nakayok kakot. Lepin ipu iping ikani kesengi da ke jingshat ki kena skul jong ke St. Anthony School. Habakren haka tegesngi provincial jong ke Shillong province Father Paul O Lingkot iloong ba Don Bosco uju penchulur ki jingile akai hapding ki samla.
All the members of SYM and the very young people and the players. In the first place, I would like to congratulate the Solution Youth Movement for taking this important step to organize the second Solution Youth Movement basketball and the first football tournament in view or in preparation of the centenary celebrations of the arrival of the Solution Garrison in the northeast on the 13th January 2022. Thank Anthony, so the team, all of them for the well organized, and especially for the young people who have come forward in different clubs, different teams to participate in this tournament. My dear Solutions, my dear close collaborators and Solutions, my dear Solution movement, and my dear young people, sports is the heart of the Bosco. Sports is the youth spirituality. When Don Bosco wants young people to come forward to the playground and show themselves who they are, what they are, why they are, how they are. This is the Solution spirituality in which Don Bosco wants the young people to come out of themselves, and to form and to mold themselves in their life. And that's what Don Bosco, when he began the Solution congregation in Turin.
But dakituki Khubor ni lapoi siya kabukod tat ado pangine siyembiyang kublay sibon.